In today's video, we're going to take a look at the efficiency of a generic battery that works with the 18 volt plus 1 system by Ryobi, comparing it to the name brand in two scenarios. I won't take it for granted. You most likely already know that the name brand battery will outperform its lower priced knockoff, but let's do some comparisons to see some specific results. Royce has joined us to keep a watchful eye on things. For today, we're going to compare two 4 amp hour batteries, but what I wanted to do is compare some real-world applications. Right off the back, when holding the batteries, you can feel a weight difference. I was curious, so let's take a look. Here we have the generic battery weighing in at 1 pound 6 ounces. Next, the Ryobi battery knowingly will be heavier at 1 pound 10 ounces. To some degree, I believe the difference is in the quality of the battery cells. Previously, I reviewed the light-duty cordless blower from Ryobi, so let's take a look at how the batteries perform. The two batteries were fully charged, and once started, I let the blower run until it stopped from a depleted battery. As expected, the generic battery drained more quickly, coming to an end at 20 minutes and 21 seconds. The Ryobi battery continues to power the blower until 28 minutes and 4 seconds. Per this run, the Ryobi battery performed nearly 8 minutes or 27% longer. Depending on the size of job, the 8 minutes can make a difference. Before our next comparison, let's give Royce a chance to stretch his legs. Okay, so building on my past reviews, I wanted to use the 18 volt inverter. Knowing that a single light could be powered for quite some time, I wanted to tax the system a bit more. In this evaluation, a small fan and studio LED light is being powered. Let's see for how long. Without even looking at the specifics, one should expect that the drain on the battery is much lighter than what we saw with the blower. The knockoff battery was able to go 49 minutes and 6 seconds. And we see the Ryobi battery taking us just past an hour at 1 hour, 3 minutes, and 23 seconds. The difference is 14 minutes or 23%. What's the bottom line? Are we surprised that the Ryobi battery performed better? We shouldn't be. It's common within the industry. Should one buy the generic battery? Maybe. Is the battery doing what it's designed to do? In general, yes. It's simply providing power to the attached devices. Ultimately, it comes down to what's more important to the buyer, performance or cost. Let's review. I expect nearly everyone is aware that if one is patient, they can purchase a lot of what Ryobi has to offer on some sort of promotion. For the sake of conversation though, we're just going to keep things simple and look at the regular everyday price. In preparation of this video, the available 4 amp hour battery is priced at $99. The generic battery was found at $28. That's a big price difference. One could nearly buy 4 batteries, or the equivalent of 16 amp hours for the price of one name brand battery. One can expect that the knockoff will only lose efficiency much more quickly than the Ryobi brand as it is cycled, and it most likely will not provide the same performance on more demanding tools. It only has one upside: at the time of purchase, it is simply less expensive. In every other way, it does not hold up to the quality and performance that one is offered from a Ryobi brand battery. I expect I'll be putting my generic battery on a shelf, waiting to be used perhaps in the case of a power outage where it can be used with the inverter, or maybe while camping. That may be the best application for it. That brings us to an end. If you found the video to be somewhat insightful, or if you just happen to appreciate Royce's cameo, we'd appreciate a hit on the like button, perhaps even becoming a new subscriber. Take care, and thanks for watching.